Assalamualaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video viewers, I will show you beautiful crochet table runner design ideas. I hope you enjoy the videos. So friends, let's start today video. So friends, my first idea is a crochet table runner is much more than a simple table decoration. It is a handmade piece filled with creative fantasy and love. Whether you decorate your dining table, coffee table, side tables, kitchens, island, beautiful crochet table runner instantly make the space feel more welcome. Let's discover this inspiring crochet table runner ideas together. One of the most popular style is the classic lace crochet table runner. Delicate lace patterns, creative and elegant look that never go out of fashion. Whether placed on our wooden dining table or a modern glass table, lace crochet add timeless beauty to every room. Flower crochet table runner are another favorite. Crochet lovers. Beautiful rose, tulips, sunflower create colorful design inspired by nature. Flower runner make every table feel fresh, cheerful, and full of life. And friends, viewers, so the weavers, round crochet table runner are made by joining beautiful circle patterns together. Each motif adds a texture detail, creating unique handmade masterpiece. You can make every motif in the same color or mix different shades for a more creative design. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy my videos. So viewers, I hope you will enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates, viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz. See you in the next video, viewers. So friends, take care.